Hello, civil engineers. Welcome back to the lecture. So now I'll start from the scratch how the Excel sheet has to be prepared. So the first thing always we know that we'll copy the same thing what we did earlier. We'll say Control C. We have it done, and then you paste it here. Say Control V. Okay. So once that is done, yeah. Once that is done, this bar description will increase the size of that. Rest all things you know how it has to be done. Okay, yeah. So once this is done, next we'll go with the shape of the bars. Okay, so to make the shape of the bar, what we do is usually, yeah, this much area I'll select, this much area, and I'll go to the color and let me make it white color. So that will be done. Okay, now coming to the shape. So shape, what we usually do, we need to check. Of course, one will be a bottom bar, and then your top bar will come. All these things you know, right? So what we do, we'll come here. Even you can go with this option. That is, I told you, draw border. You can go for a draw border, and you can make shape in this way also. Okay, this also can be done, and you can see then you can increase the size of that. Instead of that, I usually prefer going for the shape. So I'll go insert, I'll go to the insert, I'll go to the illustrations, to the shapes, and I'll take this shape, and then I'll keep it here. Okay, this is what I do. Okay, and I'll also increase the size of it. Yeah, fine. I'll keep it horizontal so it looks good. Okay, and then I'll go to the shape format. I'll say go to the weight, and let me go with this. So this will look good, and this I'll give a black color. So this will be a bottom horizontal. Okay, up to the clear span, that up to the column inner to column mirror. Next, again you select this. Say okay, say Control C and Control V. Then what you do, and then again you reduce the size of this, change the color of this. You make it red color this time. So this will be your bottom straight portion. That is your development length. Okay, that is half up to the column. So this much portion you make it. So okay, is it straight? Yeah, it is in straight line, no? Yeah, one thing. Again, you say Control C and Control V, bring it and keep it on the left side. Okay, done, no? So once you do this, yeah. Then again, same thing you say Control C, Control V, and then you make it vertical. So this will be a development length, complete red portion. And I think it looks good. It's little bit tilted. You make it straight in this way. Yeah. Now it is straight. Say Control C and Control V. Then you paste it here. Okay. So everything is done. Now you got an idea how it is to be done. The shape is done. So once the shape is done, you make it exactly. Yeah. Yeah. Okay. Now once it is done, once it is straight, next what we'll do, we'll select this. You select Control button and select everything and say right click and say you group it. So this will be one group now. So you can use this anywhere now. Okay. So one thing is ready. Now once this is done, we'll select this and also we'll select all these things and we'll give a border to that. Say come here and say all borders. Okay, fine. So this will be done, no? Next, what we are supposed to do? Yeah, we'll write all these things. These things only you write. I explained you for the shape. I think that you can do. Other than that, you know how to write. So this will be, let us say, bottom bar. Okay, I'm just randomly putting the values. Bottom bar, which is of 20 dia. Okay, that's it. And then number, let us say it is one number. Dia, I'll say it is 20 dia. Spacing we don't require in longitudinal bar. Okay, yeah. Number of bar is 2. So cutting length, what you do, you come here. You have to write here. Okay. I'll write some value roughly. We got 10,150, isn't it? I'll write that here. So it will go to the corner, select on that and bring it to the center. Got it? Now this is your development length. That is straight portion. Click here. Write 460. This was 460. And then you select and take it to the center. This portion, or even you can keep it here. It's understood. Then again, come here, write plus 460, enter, it will go to the corner, select and bring it to the middle portion, bring it here. So is it understood? This much. Now this portion, you know how it has to be done. Plus what you do, 57 into diameter of the bar. So diameter is 20 for me, and minus I'll do this one, that is 460, enter. So this will be, wait, what happened? So it's not taking the value. Okay, I think it should be open bracket. This one, no. Okay, it's coming value. What is the reason for that? Okay, it is taking this one, this column, not this column. Yeah, into multiply by this one. Yeah, now you should get answer 680. Got it? Same thing, you come here, select on this, same thing, you come here, select on this, say 680. Got it? And then you select on this, bring it to the this portion. Okay, now you see this has come somewhere here, no? In that case, you just drag it. That's it. So that it will look good. Okay, now it's okay. See, this is small tilted. You make it proper. Okay, alignment you have to do it. Everything is good, no? Fine. Now, how do you do the cutting length? Cutting length will be plus this one plus this one plus this one plus this one plus this one. This will give me the total cutting length 12430. And since it is more than 12 meter, what we need to do? We need to add one lap length. So lap length here. Now again, 57 times the diameter of the bar is not constant. Okay, it depends on the project. But in this project, whatever drawing I'm referring, they have given 57 times the diameter of the bar. So I've taken it. So the total cutting length will be this value divided by 1000. Finish. And this total cutting length will be this answer. You multiplied by number of bar, multiply by number of member, you got the answer. Since it's a 20 diameter bar, I'll be putting the value in the 20 diameter column. So plus 27.14 multiplied by 2.47 will give me the answer. I think the same answer we might have got exactly 67.036 initially we got. Same thing I got here. Got it, no? Now if you want to decorate all these things, go make it bold, then you bring it to this portion, you bring at the center. That's it. Looks good, no? Great. Now I did for one. Similarly, this is bottom bar 20 diameter. We had a bottom main bar, again 16 diameter, no? Now what you do, you just select the same thing. Say Control C and Control V. You'll get the same thing. You paste it here. Got it, no? Again, if you want, you can select the, you can copy the same thing. Control C, put it here and Control V. Okay, then rest thing you write. This thing will be same, no? Plus you select. See, the moment I change, this value also got changed. And then this value will be how much? Plus 460. How much will be this value? Plus 460. Okay, and this you bring at the center. And this you bring to the left portion. This is already at the right portion. Okay, correct, no? Then this will be how much? This will be how much? This will be equal to this one. Is it correct? This will be equal to this one? No, because one mistake we did. See, this is not 20, it's a 16 diameter bar. So you have to change it. Okay, you write here 16 diameter. So if it is 16 diameter, then your formula will be how much? 57 into diameter. So diameter is 16 minus this value. Okay, 452 we got. And similarly here also 452, and then you bring it at the this portion. Okay, looks good, no? 452 we got. Yeah, 452, 452, 460, 460, everything is correct. How much we got answer here? 23.948. Okay, we'll see what is the answer. Okay, this is correct, no? Then total cutting length will be this plus this plus this. Yeah, everything is also correct. Yeah, but here you see, in my total cutting length, if I bring this lap length, first you should not add the lap length. Okay, your total cutting length will be this plus this plus this plus this, and you have to check whether this answer is greater than 12 meter. If it is greater than 12 meter only, you have to add lap length. So this answer is less than 12 meters, so no need of adding lap length. So you can see we got exactly 11.9497. I mean, sorry, here how much we got? Okay, exactly. Here we got how much? 11.974. The same thing I got here, 23.948, and it's a 16 diameter bar. So this should come in the 16 diameter answer plus this multiply by 16, 1.58. Got it, no? So 37.83, and here also 37.83. Got it? So in this way, you are supposed to do all these things. Now, again, I feel rest things you can do on your own. I explained you this was too complicated. Other than that, if you want to do the top still, Control C, Control V, bring it to the bottom and just click here and make it like this. Finish. Your top bar is ready. But see, this alignment is not good, no? It is something tilted. Anyhow, I'll keep it like this only. But when you do, make sure you're doing it correctly. Okay, it should come in a straight line. You prepare it once again. So it should come like this. Okay, fine. So you keep it here. So this will be a top now. You'll write top main bar, and what is the diameter, right? 25 diameter, right? It is a 25 diameter, no? Yeah, top main bar 25 diameter. And similarly, this portion and this portion you can link. Okay, this will be linked to this one. You're getting, no? I think now you should be in a position to do. And then this portion will be equal to this portion, and this portion will be equal to this portion, this portion. Okay, okay. Then you bring all this to the center, this portion. Okay, this is correct. This is also correct. Now this will be how much you should write here. How many number? One number. So diameter is 25. How many bar? 25 diameter, 2 bar. So in that case, this will be 57 into this one minus 460. So you should get 965 here plus 965. Is it correct? We got 965 exactly. 965, 965 we got it. Otherwise, you could have copied the same thing and pasted. That also you could have done, but I didn't do. Okay, now you add 965 plus 460 plus 1050, 10,050 plus 460 plus 965. So yeah, this answer is almost 13,000. That is 13 meter, which is greater than 12 meter. So I need to add one lap length. So plus, open the bracket, 57 times the diameter. You take the diameter from here and close the bracket, enter, finish. So now this is your total cutting length. So this cutting length, I'll divide it by 1,000. You got the answer. So this will be this answer multiply by number of bar into number of members. You got the answer. The 25 diameter bar. So come in the 25. See now what has happened? This is not visible. So you know how it has to be made visible, right? So what you have to do? You have to come and keep your mouse here. Go to the view option. Say free span. So you have to go to the free spans and say free spans. Now if I scroll, it is visible. So where is my 25 diameter? So my 25 is somewhere here. So I'll say 25.85, you multiply it by 3.85. Wait. What happened? Yeah. This answer multiply by 3.85. So I'm getting 111. So did I get the same one? Yeah, I got the same one. 111 here. 0.73, same answer. Got it? Fine. Next, after that, you know now top left extra I'll do. So for top extra, you have to again go to the insert option, illustration, go to the shape, go to this option. So take this one. Okay, top left extra. Till here you take it. Till here. Till here. Okay. Now again, go to the weight, make it little bold, and then you can keep this as black color. So it's understood that it's a straight portion. See, this should come in straight line. Yeah, now it is horizontal. Now again say control, select on that, control C, control V, make this color red color now. So it will be a development length for me. And then make it red color. Close this, decrease the length of this. It is straight portion. Now you control C, control V 2 times. Okay. This one you bring here, keep it here. Okay. And this portion you rotate in this way. I mean, tilt it in this way. Make it vertical. So again, it is tilted. You have to make it vertical. Yeah, now it is vertical. Select on that and paste it here. Got it, no? It looks good. Again, still it is tilted. So just make sure it is exact. Now again, still it is tilted. So make sure it is vertical. It's vertical. Good. So select this, select this, select this. Right click your mouse, go to the group option, you group it. Now it's a single unit. You can take anywhere. Later, if you want to do other beams and all, you can copy also from here. Okay, so it's a one-time effort. So this length, you don't know how much. So that you have to go to the drawing. So it is given here, top left extra. So what is 1670? So come here, right? 1670, finish. So it is gone to the corner, take it to the left side. That's it, finish. So this length, we know always it is 460. You can interlink that with this. Or you can say 500 minus 40. And this development length depends on the diameter of the bar. So I'll copy this thing again, say Control C, and I'll paste it here. I'll say Control V, and this will give a border also, all border. Okay, so this will be my top left extra bar, top left extra, isn't it? It's a top left extra. How much it is in the drawing? Top left extra. So top left extra is my 20 dia 2 bar. So I need to write here 20. And this is 20 of 2. Okay. And this cutting length plus 57 into diameter of the bar minus this value. Enter, finish. Now you see everything answer will be ready now. So what will be the total cutting length? Yeah, total cutting length, this you have to delete. Since you copied everything, no, it will take everything. So 1670 plus 460 plus 680, finish. So 2810, did we get the same thing previously? Yeah, we got the same thing, 2810. I got 2810, 2.11. Cutting length also 2.81 into 2 into number of bar they did. Okay. And since it's a 20 diameter bar, my 20 number column is here. You delete this part. Okay. So then my 20 is somewhere here. This one. So this one multiply by 20, 2.47. So 13.88. Same thing. 13.881. Okay. Great. I think most of the things I've explained you. After this, you have to do top right extra and then the straight portion you can do. Else you put the straight portion now and you do the top right extra later. That also can be done. So I'll do the top right. I'll just control C and control V. I'll copy the same thing. And this you just have to drag like this. Okay. So this becomes your top right extra. So this you can keep somewhere here, top right extra. Okay. What I did here, I did like this only, top right extra. Okay. Fine. So again, you just copy the same thing, give the border. Okay. Rest all this decoration and all you do it. I didn't make all these things bold. If you want, I'll do it bold. So I'll make it bold. I'll go to this one. Then I'll bring them at the center. Yeah. Okay, fine. So top left extra is done. Now this will be my top right extra. Okay. And then you can write the junctions and all. I didn't write, like I wrote top right extra at C junction. If you want, you can write it. Okay. It's always better you write. So you'll identify. Okay. But anyhow, I'm not writing now. So it's again a 20 diameter 2 bar. Okay. So it's a 20 diameter 2 bar. So this is 20. How many bars are there? 2 bars are there. So this cutting length, we should see the drawing, how much it is. 1550. So write directly 1550 here. 1550. Enter. Click on that and bring it to the center. Okay, fine. This is how much. This is always how much is this portion? This portion, 500 is a column distance minus 40 mm cover I do. So it will be 460. Select on that and bring it to the this portion. Okay, if it is not coming exactly, just drag it. Okay, done. Now what about this portion? It is 57 into diameter of the bar, 20 minus this 460. Enter. So it will come here. You can bring it to the middle or you can bring like this. Done, no? Finish. So total cutting length will be how much? 1550 plus 1460 plus 680. Done. So this will be again this one divided by 1000. Done. Then total cutting length will be how much? 2.69 multiply by number of bar into number of members will give you this. Finish. 5.38 I got. 5.38 I got here. Top right extra. Okay. And then since it's a 20 diameter bar, we'll put that value in the 20 diameter. So 5.38 multiplied by 20 is 2.47. Done. Answer is ready. Okay, done. Last one. What is that? Middle straight portion. So for middle straight portion, what you do, you go to the insert. Okay, go to the illustration, take a shape, take this thing, and just put it here. This is your top straight, and give a black color to that, and then wait, you increase it to this. Finish. Ready. So how do you find that? You write here. What do you write here? You write extra portion at middle. You have to write extra straight bar. It is called a straight bar. Okay, extra straight bar at what junction it is. So this is at junction number B. At B junction. So it's understood. So this will look big. So select on that and say wrap text. Okay, done. How many member? Only in one member it is. And what is the diameter of that? So the diameter is again 20 diameter 2 bar it is. So write 20 of 2. Okay, so we'll write 20 here. And this will be number of bar is 2. Okay, good. So how much is this length? I don't know. I'll say plus. What I'll do, I'll add this one 1670 plus 1550 plus this column is 500. Okay, 1670 plus 1550. 1670 plus 1550 plus the column is 500. This is my total cutting length, which I need to tell the bar bender that this much length you're supposed to cut. Okay, you make it bold and then this. Okay, fine. Finish. Now total cutting length will be, of course, this one. If you add, your cutting length will get the cutting length. If you want to put it in meter, you divide it by 1000. And this will be total cutting length will be This value multiply by number of bar into number of member. 7.44 will verify. We got same thing. Yeah, 7.44 we got. Good. And this is a 20 diameter bar, no? So come in 20 column, click on this and you multiply this by 22.47. Finish, no? That's it. Now add everything and we'll verify whether our answer is correct. So the total, okay. Yeah, I think even the stirrup part I need to do. See, stirrup, I think you know. Okay. Anyhow, since I'm doing, I'll teach the stirrup part also, not an issue. Go to the insert, illustration shapes. This one you have to take. Okay. Then make a stirrup something like this. Bring it here. Hmm? Bring it here. Then go to the shape fill, say no fill. Okay. Then come to the shape outline, say weight. You just give this shape. And I think I gave a red color to that. You can give red color. And now again, go to the insert, go to the illustrations, go to the shape, take a circle from here. So this will be your rebar. Okay. If you want to fill a green color to that, I had given a green color earlier. So just take it inside this. Okay. Yeah. Say control C, control V, control V. 4 times you do that. Then you keep the second one here, third one here, and the last one here. Okay. And then the hook you need to add. Again, go to this insert. It's already visible here. Take that. And from here, you drag it like this. And say control C, control V. Other one, you keep it here. Okay. Now it looks good, no? If you want, you just increase the size of this. Select both and go to the shape format, give a red color only. Then shape outline, you just increase the size. This much is enough. It looks good. Done, no? Great. Now you just merge everything. This one, merge this inside dot one. Okay. This one, this one. I think even this also we need to merge and say right click, say group and group. So everything got group. I think only this thing is didn't group. Is it? Everything is group? No, yeah. See, this didn't get group, no? So just select and make it group. This circle is not getting selected in this case. Okay. Anyhow, not an issue. You just merge it properly. Okay. I couldn't do that. Anyhow, I'll keep it here. But when you merge, make sure this circle is also selected. In my case, it's not happening, not an issue. Okay. And then you need to insert another two cells. Control and plus if you do, your cells will be inserted. And now you come here and this portion you select like this. So this will be your beam. This is beam size. For that, select that. Say merge at center. Give a thick box to that and write here beam. What is the beam size? What we need to write? 300 by 450. No, I'll write beam size. Yeah, I'll write beam size. It will, okay. So it is 300, your width, and your depth is 400. Okay. And then select it, make it bold, take it to the center, and give a different font to that. Okay. And this one, you can just increase the size of this like this. It looks great. Fine. So you just drag this little down and you bring it little here. Yeah, first we'll write here stirrup. Stirrup in which portion? S1 portion. S1 portion. Okay, fine. Number of member it is 1. Dia it is a 8 mm dia. And this spacing is 100, I think. Okay, so then just come here, select this portion plus. So it will be 300 minus, it's a beam, no? So 25 left side minus right side minus 8 mm bar. Okay, your answer is ready, 242. It will go to the side, click on that, make it at the center. Okay, same thing it will be here plus, and you interlink with this. Done. Again, it will go to the corner, bring at center and finish. Okay, good. So if it's not exactly at the center, just drag it like this and then adjust this one. I mean, yeah, okay, and then adjust it. Okay, done. No? And now this portion it is how much? Plus, you should interlink here 400 minus 25 top minus 25 bottom minus diameter of the bar 8, finish. It should be 342 and I got it. Bring it here. Okay, it will come only this much. Okay, I think okay, I'll drag it like this. Okay, then I think it should come here. Okay, now it's okay. 342 and plus this one, sorry, this one, enter. 342, bring it to the okay. Okay, I'll keep it 342 like this only. Okay, because I think and I'll to reduce it like this. No problem. We'll finish. Everything is done, no? So number of bar, we know how to find the number of bar. So number of bar, you have to apply that formula. What is that formula? Plus open the bracket, go back to the drawing. So first I'm finding this one, no? Yeah, it is 5525, 5125. So 5125 plus 5125 and 5525. See, when you get expert, no, you should directly do the calculation looking at here, like I'm doing. So initially you may find it difficult, but not an issue. It's very simple. 250 from the left side, 250 from the right side, and again minus 250 from the left side, minus 250 from the right side. Correct, no? Sorry. What I'm doing is a S1 portion, no? This is not required for S1 portion. S1 portion directly 800 is given, no? Number of bar will be plus open bracket 800 into 4 you do. Okay, you're getting, no? Or I'll write 800 plus 800 plus 800 plus 800. This answer I got. I'll divide it by number of spacing. For spacing, always divide it by bracket open. So here see 100 was written, but it's not visible. Not an issue. I'll directly write 100 here. Okay, later I'll change. And then I'll make plus 1 here itself. And in S2, I'll not add plus 1. Yeah, it's coming 33 number. It's coming. How much we got in the previous case? We got 33. Okay, we got 32 because I did not add a plus 1 there. Okay, no problem. I'll delete plus 1 from here and I'll do. Okay, we'll do. We'll see how much steel increase will happen. Okay, we should get same answer, no? That's why. Fine. This is done. Now cutting length will be simple. This one plus this one plus this one plus this one plus 24 into diameter of the bar. Okay, this is cutting length 1360. We got the same thing. Okay, we got 1376 here. Okay, this was edited. No, actually, yeah, I told this should be -8. Yeah, 1.36 we got. Yeah, same, correct. 1.36 we got. Okay, plus this one divided by 1000, and then it's total cutting length. Total cutting length 1.36. You multiplied by number of bar, multiplied by number of members. 44.88. 40. Okay. Why that answer is not matching? Okay, okay, fine. It will not match because here it is 32, here it is 33. No, if I make this 31, it should match. We'll see. Yeah, 43.53, 43.53, but still we'll do this one small change we'll do. We'll add plus 1 here, and this will be this multiply by 0.395. Okay, see, beam is actually simple. You just need to apply your logic and that's it. Okay, next stirrup in S2 portion. You can do same thing. You can just select the same thing from here, Control C, and just come and write here Control V. Okay, and now you make this as S2 portion. This everything is same. S2 portion. This will be 150 there. Okay, and now this will change. How do you find this? Very simple. Plus open the bracket 5125. Okay, we want to find this now. So 5525. No, it is 5525. So 5525 minus 250 from the left side, minus 250 from the right side. Okay, and then minus 800 from the left side, minus 800 from the right side. One thing is done. Okay, okay, plus this part I did. This part again, it is 5125. So that part is 5125 minus 250 from the left side, minus 250 from the right side, minus 800 from the left side, minus 800 from the right side. Close the bracket. You divide this by spacing. What is the spacing? 150, and close the bracket. Finish. It should be 43. And we do not add plus 1 because plus 1 already I did here. Okay. And what about your cutting length? See, cutting length it will not come properly. We'll do it properly. Plus 242 plus 342 plus 242 plus 342 plus 24 into diameter of the bar. Okay, same now, coming 1.36. So what is the total cutting length? 1.36 into 43 into 1 will be this much. And this weight also, fine. Finish, done. Everything I've calculated in front of you, right? Now we'll try to check the total steel that we'll get. So total steel will be 23.10 plus 17.728 plus this value 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 plus this value. Q18, no? Yeah, finish. Enter. How much I got? 302.320. 302.320. See the difference. What is the difference? This is very important. Here I took 33 number here because I added plus 1 here and I did not add plus 1 here. In the previous case, I did not add plus 1 here and I added plus 1 here. You can see plus 1 here. And you see the final answer 302.320 and you see the final answer 302.320. So that is why I told you can add this plus 1 either in the first one or in the second one. Your answer won't change. I have taken this as first case where I've added here and see the answer. There's no change in the answer. Got it? So that is how it is. Either you can add it in first zone or you can add it in the second zone, but plus 1 will be added only one time. You should not do plus 1 two times. Okay, got it? Now after this, if you want to do the decorations like this, you select everything. Okay, and then you can give a proper shape to that like this one, and that's it. Finish. Rest, I think it will come at the center only. Okay, this will change in that case. Yeah, rest all things I have done it correctly in front of you. Got it? You just have to write the grid and all here. Like this falls in the grid A1 to C1. Okay, just to differentiate and easy for other people to identify where you have done the BBS. Like I did here, no grid plinth beam. You should write plinth beam along grid A1 to C1. Write plinth beam, along. Then if you want to differentiate, you just select this, wrap the text, and then select that, bring it, make it bold, bring it the center. And if you want the color, you can just give a color to differentiate it. Finish. Okay. Same thing you can do everywhere. Great. That's it. So this was all about the beam reinforcement. I explained you right in front of you how to prepare the Excel sheet. Now, whatever you're prepared, no, same thing you have to control C, copy it. Okay. And then come and say paste here, control V. And after that, in the next lecture, I'll take you to the beam number. Which one? I'll take you to the beam number, this one. Then I'll take you to this beam number. Then we'll do all these beams. So up to here, practice everything. So we'll see you back in the next lecture. Thank you.